Hello there, my name is Icholia, and today I'm going to show you how to create a slider in WordPress step by step. Okay, first and foremost we need to go to our WordPress dashboard. Okay, let me show you where we are going to start. Okay, this is our WordPress dashboard. So from here we are going to plugin. We are going to install a plugin. So we click here, then we say add a plugin. Okay, then we come and type here in the plugin repository. You have to type here slider. Okay, let's wait it to populate. This is the slider we are going to a plugin we are going to install. It is called Smart Slider 3. So we are going to install this. We wait it to install. Let it install first. It is still installing, so we'll be patient. Okay, it is still installing. Let us be patient. It won't take time. Okay, we need to activate it now, so we click on activate. Now the slider is activated. So what we do, we go back to our plugins. Now the smart slider is here, so we click on the smart slider. Okay, now from here we have two types of sliders. Okay, we have new slider and from the template. If you come here to the template, you can see there is already what predefined sliders whereby you can choose, but most of this one are paid. Okay, so you will make your own choice from here. If you want to pay, it's okay. If you want to use free one, you just come and click on this tab here written free, then these are free ones, then you can configure. But for my case, I'm going to make it from scratch. Okay, so I'm going to create a new slider whereby you will have to create it manually. So I'll come and click here, then I'll type it. Let me just give it a name slider. Okay, then I'll say I need it full width. I'll click here on full width. Then the size, you can make it 1200 by 500, or even you can reduce it to be 400. Like, let me put it 400. I'll type it there 400. Then I'll say create. Okay, now from here we need to choose our images. Okay, so you come here to this part written add slider, so you click it there. Then from there you are going to select images. Okay, so you click on images. Now from here you need to choose your images. Okay, like for me, I'll choose this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, then we will say select. We click on select on our right side and corner. Boom, as you can see, this is our images here. So we need now to configure the slider. Okay, so we come here till down here, we put it, it should be in the middle. Click here in the middle, we click also here in the middle. Okay, then we scroll up again, then you come to size. Let's say to general. There's nothing much here actually we are going to do, because the only thing we need to do is this one. Okay, so we say fit, click on fit like that. There's nothing else. We go back to the size. Earlier on we defined the size, so it is 1200 by 400, and it is full width. Okay, now here it's okay, it's 3000 milliseconds, there's no problem there. Then we go down, there's nothing there. Okay, then we come here to autoplay, click on autoplay, then we enable so that it can play itself. Okay, so we reduce the milliseconds here. So for me, I'm going to put 4000 milliseconds. Okay, what else? I don't want this one, I remove it. It has to be blank. Okay, then optimized, then we say enable to be optimized, then I'll put here 50, say 50. Then loading, we also need it to be 50, it's enabled already. So from here we are going to save, we click on save. Okay, so our slider is saved. Then from here we need to go to our pages. There is a page already I created called slider. That's where we are going to experiment our slider. Okay, so I'll come to all pages, then my page is here, it is called slider. Okay, first and foremost I have to enable this page, so I'll go to appearance, then I say menu, so that it can be visible on our front side. Okay, so I'll come and I say, then I'll say add it to menu. Now slider is here, then I'll save my menu. Okay, now let me come to the front of our website. Okay, this is the front of our website, and then the slider is here. As you can see, there is nothing, it looks blank. Okay, so let's design it. So we'll come here, go to our pages, all pages, then we come to slider, we open it, then from here then we say edit with Elementor. We wait Elementor to load. Now this is our page. So from here I'm going to add a section. I'll click on this section, I add it, then I'll make it 1 like that. Then I'll come here and I click on stretch section, then I'll come here and I'll say full width. Okay, then down here we are going to put it here, we're going to put it mini height so that it can be bigger like that. Okay, then from here I'll come and click on this part here, then I'll look for a it is called smart slider, so I'll put it here. Then from here we already created our slider, you remember. Now we are going just to click on this one like this, then it will select. Okay, then our slider is there. You see what is happening? That's our slider now sliding. Okay, then I'm going to update it. Okay, now we will go back here, then we will put the min height is okay. Maybe I should put it fit to screen. Let me do some configuration here. Where is it? Then I'll say okay. Let's update. Let's see our website now, the way it looks. As we can see, there is a space here, and here we don't need it. We need it to be full width. Okay, so we come back here, we check from here we have done the right thing. like this. What else? Then we go to style, then we see shapes. There's nothing we are doing there. So what I will do, we have to go back to our slider. Okay, so I'll click here, then I exit, then we go back to our slider. This here. Now we are going to edit our slider. Click here, then we come to size. We selected full width. I don't know why it's not picking full width, but it's supposed to select full width. Okay, general, let me click on general, let me select this one. Okay, then I update it. Then let's check our website. Yes, this is how I like it. Okay, as you can see, that's our slider now. Okay, this is our slider. Okay guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share with your friends, and let me know what you need me to make for you so that we can all learn. Thank you.